Exercise number 4. Start. Honorable members, taxation regime plays an important role in accelerating economic development. Along with continuous reform, simplification of taxation system is also being emphasized. Exemption to persons earning up to rupees 5 lakh from payment of income tax is an important step in this direction. Similarly, indirect tax system is also being made simple and effective. With the implementation of GST, the concept of one country, one tax, one market has become a reality. Efforts to further simplify the GST will continue, keeping in view the interests of small traders. My government has launched a new pension scheme for them. National Traders Welfare Board will be constituted shortly and national retail trade policy will be formulated to promote retail business. Accident insurance of up to rupees 10 lakh will also be provided to all traders registered under GST. MSME sector provides a strong foundation to the country's economy and plays a critical role in employment generation. Several steps have been taken to ensure smooth cash flow to enterprises run by small entrepreneurs. In order to ensure that entrepreneurs associated with MSME sector do not face any problem in accessing credit, the credit guarantee coverage is being enhanced to rupees 1 lakh crore. Good governance reduces corruption, enhances self-respect of the citizens, and enables them to optimally utilize their talents and capabilities. Next paragraph. My government will make the zero tolerance policy against corruption more comprehensive and effective. The mission to eliminate corruption from public life and government services will be implemented with greater zeal. Towards this objective, minimum government, maximum governance will be further emphasized. In addition, use of technology will be maximized to reduce human interface. Appointment of Lokpal will also promote transparency. The campaign against black money will be taken forward at a faster pace. During the last 2 years, 4,25,000 company directors have been disqualified and the registration of 3,50,000 suspicious companies has been revoked. The Fugitive and Economic Offenders Act has proved effective in controlling fugitive economic offenders. Now we are receiving information in this regard from 146 countries including Switzerland. Of these, we have concluded agreements with 80 countries for automatic exchange of information. We are now receiving information about all those who have stashed black money abroad. The impact of Real Estate Regularization Act or RERA is clearly visible in curbing black money transactions in real estate sector and protecting the interests of the customers. and house buyers. This is a welcome change in the activity of buying of house property by the needy buyers and others in the trade. Full stop and over.